The latest iPhone offers wireless charging, yet we are still using messy cables to recharge our expensive iPhone. Don't you think your iPhone deserves a better charging experience? Meet Funksum, the first wireless charging pad on the market designed for new iPhones. This stylish Funksum is not only able to charge your iPhone 8 or iPhone 10, but also your Apple Watch. With Funksum, a wireless charger offers 80% charging efficiency, and it can even charge without removing your iPhone case. Energize your mobile phones with Funksum, so you can enjoy the immersive experience brought a large screen without worrying about your battery. Place your phone and Apple Watch on the pad, and it will start charging immediately. Got a new iPhone? Let's charge it in a new way. The Funksum's way.
Think this can't happen to you? Think again. Because the greatest threat to your cybersecurity may not be from the outside. It may be from the person sitting next to you. Data breaches can cost your company money and credibility. Once lost, those are difficult to recover. That's why Halberd deals with the threat at the source, so you don't pay at the end. When you get up, an elite end-user defense system, you know you need it.
Imagine if you could see electricity as it flowed through your home. Like a superhero with X-ray vision. You'd see the energy used to cool your rooms, cook your food, and light your home. And when it was being wasted, rather than used wisely, you'd know right away. We decided you shouldn't need superpowers to see where your energy goes. So we created Glow. Glow is like a fitness tracker for your home. It gives you and everyone in your home a sixth sense for how you use energy, so you can make smart decisions that benefit your bank account and help the environment. Glow analyzes your home's energy usage to understand how and when you use energy. If you're using more than normal, Glow turns amber, then red. When you're saving money, it glows green. And when you have extended high usage, like if someone accidentally left the coffee pot on or the fridge door open, Glow sends you a helpful notification. Glow also helps you avoid nasty surprises on your utility bill by forecasting your electricity cost. Just tell Glow how much you want to pay for electricity each month, and the app will help you stay on track. Getting started with Glow is as simple as plugging it in and placing our patent-pending inductive sensor on your meter. Using magneto-resistive sensing and advanced algorithms, Glow can measure and understand your home's energy usage without the need for professional installation or dangerous modifications to your home's wiring.
I'm Ben, one of the creators of Glow. After buying my first home, I got tired of receiving high electricity bills. I wanted to know where my energy was going so I could save money and reduce my impact on the environment. And now, I can. We've been testing Glow in homes for over 9 months. Now we need your help to bring Glow to people everywhere. So please take a moment and back our campaign.
You'll be the first to receive Glow so that you can start tracking your energy and saving money right away. We may not all have superpowers, but with Glow, we can make a difference, right here in our own homes.